Hi everyone, welcome back to Keto with Lee. Now today's recipe is pan-seared flank steak with scallion sauce. I can smell it already. Now for those of you who are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe for weekly low-carb recipes. And remember to visit www.ketowithlee.us for those amazing written recipes along with the macros. Now without further ado, let's get right to this video. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and make our scallion sauce for the steak. I do have my olive oil in here already. Remember, measurements and macros are listed on my website at www.ketowithlee.us. Here is the red wine vinegar. It is organic and with the mother. In here we have capers, so that's gonna go in our sauce. Try this. This is my first time making it. And here we have our thyme. We went ahead and chopped it as best as we could. And in here we have our organic mustard. It is organic. So put that in there. Make a nice mess here. Alright, and lastly we have our scallions. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit at a time since I chose to use my mini chopper. Here we go. Ooh, smells good. Let's get some more of these in there. So I did it in thirds, so I got one more to do. And then I can show you what it looks like. So basically you can use a food processor, you can use the mini chopper, any one of those, anything that'll blend this smoothly, even a blender. Push that in there. So this is just to give it a different taste. Always a little temperamental. Come on. Okay. Ooh, that is amazing! Oh my goodness. I'm really excited to try this on my steak. I'm just gonna pour it in my airtight container. Smells really good. Here we go. quick tip, everyone is talking about cutting against the grain. So as you can see here, these grains right here are going from left to right. Well, you don't want to cut your meat like this, which I think would be ridiculous anyways, but we do need strips for this recipe. So what I'm gonna do, I'm sorry, this annoys me. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut it in half, because let's see, I'm gonna go this way in half. This is gonna be a very tender piece because as you can see, we're gonna cut against the grains, as you can see there. And what it does is, you see all those, oh, it's gonna be super soft. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is cutting against the grain. So I need about 2 inches. All right, like that. Here's the grain going left to right, and I'm gonna go against it. And that's how we cut against the grain. Okay. Against the grain cut. First, what we're gonna do is mix together our minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can also use coconut oil, it's perfectly fine. Part of our wet rub here. Okay, let me set this aside. And now we're gonna season the meat with salt and pepper. Now, as you remember, we just cut these against the grain, so they're gonna be so tender, so yummy. So I use pink Himalayan salt, and that's what this is. Remember, this is to taste. And we're also going to do pepper. So I'm going to fast forward this part. Okay. And now we're going to go ahead and get our garlic mixture and pour it on. We're going to make sure that we toss the steak in it until it's covered. I'm going to let this sit for 20 minutes and come right back. Now we are ready to cook our steak. Grab some tongs. I won't scratch my pan. I'm preheating the pan. Since this, since these steak slices already have olive oil on them, I'm not gonna put anything in here. I'm just letting them warm up. Letting that warm up. I love that pan. Alright, here's round 2. Guys, I'm not a chef. Just whole thing about searing steak and everything. Obviously, I'm not a professional. I simply want to eat some steak. I want it tender, and I want it to be good. Really trying here. Not really a steak cooking type of chick. My husband usually does that. That's kind of that is. I'm gonna go ahead and plate this and show you what it looks like.